Hello friends, I am Rob. Here I am presenting you a very useful and health related biological project. As you know that there are very few working models in the biology. Here I have tried to make one with the help of two bottles. While smoking is very harmful for all of us. The smoke of the cigarette containing hydrogen cyanide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and various other harmful substances that are very harmful for our lungs. It also contains many organic compounds like benzene, tar, and causes many respiratory problems. This also causes the lung cancer. So there are about 25 to 27% of people in India who are having the lung diseases and the other having the lung cancer. So here I have made this project to aware the people about the disadvantages of the smoking. Here I have used two bottles, delivery tubes, two T-tubes, one image for the skull, plywood and the white chart paper. The process for the construction of this is first take the plywood and then apply the chart paper on it with the help of the stick or the glue. Now we have to make the image of the lungs of the human, arteries, trachea, bronchioles and the skull. The skull can be easily available from any book or you can make it by yourself, and we have to place it by using a block foot. The one end of the two delivery tubes are connected and the one end is connected to the one end of the T connector and the another end is placed in the bottle, the two bottles, and another delivery tube is used which is connected with the another connector, and the two ends of the delivery tube are put into the bottle and one is put into the mouth by using the cigarette holder. So this demonstrates the working of the lungs when some people smoke. So here I am demonstrating you the working of this project. Here is the cigarette and the lighter. It uses one suction pump and T connector and delivery tube. So now I will light in the cigarette. So as you see that the cigarette has been lightened and I am putting it in a cigarette holder. Now I am using this suction pump for blowing the air and for sucking the air. So the suction pump start and the pipe of the delivery tube is first connected to the vacuum. Here you see that the smoke is collecting in the bottles and the mouth holder is sucking the cigarette. So now I have taken out the cigarette. And now the pipe will be connected to the blower. As you see that this is the condition of the lungs after the smoking, and now the pipe has been connected to the blower. Now the air is blowing out through the cigarette holder. You see all this smoke gets out through the delivery tubes that are put it into this box. Now you see that the bottles are clear. Do you look at the bottles and they are not looking clear because of the smoke? The tar gets deposited on the bottle and is very harmful for the lungs also. These are making the bottle yellowish, due to which you cannot see the bottles clear. So this is the harmful advantage. These damage all the bronchioles in your lungs and can cause lung cancer. So this is how we can make this smoking skeleton with the help of few things, and we can show it in our school projects. These bottles demonstrate the lungs of the person, that how they get malfunctioned by the cigarette smoking or by smoking any other tobacco substances. So these can also be used to make the people aware of the disadvantages of the cigarette smoking, and you can make this project for a school exhibition. Till then, friends, I will be available with some more new projects. Till then, goodbye. For more details, log on to www.tkdynamics.com.